So this is my organic homemade herbal hair shampoo. This hair shampoo is what you need to take care of your hair. It gets rid of dandruff and helps your hair to grow. Hello beautiful soul, you're welcome to your girl's channel. I wish you good health and happiness. How are you doing today? If this is your first time, I welcome you. So in today's recipe, all I'm going to be doing is adding my fenugreek seed and my dried rosemary. You can see I've added my bay leaves, and of course I have got cloves right in there. This is our Dudu Show black soap, all the way from Nigeria. I have my ginger, garlic and onion. All right, all these are going to be incorporated into this remedy. You can see the hair, you see my hair, and you can see the shampoo right up there. Guys, I love this. So all I did was to transfer all the dry ingredients right into my pot. Okay, this pot is specifically for my hair, DIYs. So I'm not using it for any other thing else. So I have sliced my onion, my garlic and the ginger, and also put it in there, and then I poured a cup of water. So the amount of water you're going to be pouring into this remedy has to be the quantity of soap that you want to make. All right, so afterwards I put it on fire to heat up on a medium or low heat, please. So these are black soap. I will go on now to cut it and slice it to little pieces. If you want to grate it, if you have a grater that you can use to grate this, please go ahead and grate it. It will make your work a lot more easy. All right, thank you so much for joining me back, my returning subscribers. I love you so much. And to you, if you have not subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button. It will help me a lot. Do well to like this video, please guys. Do well to like the video, just a thumbs up. Okay, this is it here. The DIY is boiling on fire. Like the video, I wouldn't mind. Please do well to share out to people that need this. Please support this lady. I think this year I am ready for us to help us. What is helping me, I have tried these processes and they are working for me. That's why I'm bringing it out here to the public, so that a lot of people can also benefit from it. Okay, I'm not being selfish. So please, I need you to like. If you have watched to this point, if not like, please do well to like the video. By liking it, you're helping my video to go out there. Some persons may be, let's say, jealous or whatever. They say, why would you want to go out there? So I have poured in the grated or sliced black soap. All right, so all you have to do now is to keep stirring it while our DIY herbal mixture is still hot. Okay, just to get it to melt. All right, so I want to tell a story. I remember when I started my YouTube channel and I asked a friend, a university coursemate, to subscribe to my channel, and she was like, how much will I pay her? Okay, so here I'm adding extra virgin olive oil to this. Okay, you can add any oil of your choice. You can choose to use coconut oil, that's good. And then this is a tea tree oil. Okay, I'm adding tea tree oil because it's essential oil if you want it to smell nice, but already Dudu Show soap smells good. So what may say, what of the smell of the onion and garlic? Trust me, you've got nothing to worry about it. This is it here. Okay, you can use any essential oil of your choice that will smell nice as you want. Guys, this is ready. You can see that. Okay, so now it's time to transfer it to the bottle I'm going to be using to wash my hair. Today was my full hair wash day, and I made a lot of DIY herbal stuff. I've been sharing them step by step. I will appreciate if you please encourage me by liking. You can see that. So this lady asked me how much am I going to pay her if she watches my video or subscribe to my channel. I'm like, girl, I'm not even up to 200. She said, of course YouTube is paying me every subscriber I get. I said, not like that. It's not how it runs. Okay, and until today she didn't do that because I didn't pay her. Like, seriously. And then this person is in business and she wants me to support her business. It doesn't work that way. If she's listening to this, girl, that's not how things are done. Some of them now saw when I stay ad on my channel and they feel, oh my God, this girl, of course I'm going to blow by the special grace of God. I'm going to blow for the right reasons. Okay, The first money I made from this YouTube channel was my first fruit, which was given to God. So you can see I'm not selfish. The money, I'm not using it to myself alone. Okay guys, so as you can see now, I am washing my daughter's hair. You can see the shampoo. Look at it. It is so beautiful, guys. Just a little amount of this shampoo and it was so foaming, and I love it. Trust me guys, this is what I want to be using for my hair henceforth, and I'm glad to add my own product to my collection of products. So here I am washing my own hair as well, because it was a wash day for both of us, and we got our hair washed. Look at it. I first of all did okra gel pre-poo, so that was what I washed out, and then time for me to wash with my homemade shampoo. Man, I love this. I love the it's giving clean hair. It's giving clean hair. And after washing this, I use my DIY rinse out with vinegar, apple cider vinegar. You may like to watch the next video to see how I use that, and my hair is thriving. My natural hair journey is barely 1 year, and I tell you, I love the progress so far. Not perfect yet, but the progress is going on well, and that is why I came out to share with you beautiful souls. Please like the video for me, subscribe if you have not, turn on the notification bell please, so that whenever I go live or have a video, you can also get notified. Turn the notification bell on, please. I would appreciate that. Like this video, share it out. It's worth sharing. Don't be like my friend that is stingy, asking for money to be paid. Of course, when I start any money on this channel, you guys that are close to me will be having giveaway. Yes, giveaway is going to come up on this channel and on my page on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook, P-Love TV, because there I'm going to start giveaway soon, whether it's monetized or not. I love you. See you again in my next video. Bye. God bless you.